Okay, 6a, part 1. Okay, simplify 2p plus 5p minus 3p. All we need to do here is collect the like terms. Well, they're all p's, so we can collect them very simply. 2p plus 5p gives us 7p, and 7p minus 3p, so 7 minus 3 is 4p. Here we go. Okay, 6a, part 2. Slightly harder this time, there's more than one term, so we have to collect the terms that are similar. Okay, so we've got the 6j, we can circle that one because that is one term. We've also got another term with the same variable, which is j here, so 6j minus j gives us 5j. Okay, what are we left with? We're left with plus 3k minus 5k. Plus 3 minus 5 gives us minus 2k. So the answer is 5j minus 2k. Again, fairly simple, that one. Okay, question 6b. It says find the value of 10h plus 6t when h equals 12 and t equals 4. This is simply a matter of substitution. Best thing to do is to write your question out again. 10h plus 6t. Let's remember to substitute in. So, what do we do when we substitute in? We do 10 times by h, which we're saying is 12. And we're going to add 6 times by t, and this time we know that t is 4. Rules of BibMaths tell us that we do the multiplications first. So, 10 and 12 times together gives 120. 6 and 4 times together gives us 24. We're going to add them together at the end, and we get 144 as the answer to that one. Okay, 6c. This is a very tricky question. Okay, a lot of you don't like rearranging to make d something else the subject of the formula, and I'm afraid this example particularly is very difficult. Okay, so we've got quite a few stages to this. At the moment we have E equals F minus 7D. We want to just be left with D on one side of the equation on its own. So the first we need to get rid of is we need to get rid of this F, which is a positive F. So we need to take away F from both sides. And therefore we'll have on the left hand side of the equation E minus F equals minus 7D. Okay. The next thing we want to think about is the fact that we have a negative 7d. That's not very good. We don't want a negative anything d. So to get rid of the negative sign, okay, how do I make a negative into a positive? Well, a negative times a negative would make something a positive. So if we times this side by a negative 1 and this side by a negative 1, what's going to happen? We'll end up with minus e plus f equals 7d. Okay, almost there. We don't want 7d on one side, we just want d. So to get rid of the 7, we need to divide by 7. So divide both sides by 7. We have minus e plus f over 7 equals d. Another way this can be written would be f minus e divided by 7 equals d.